Yo, what is up, my physics fam? It's your boy, Mr. Beast. Well, not really, but this video is gonna be so hype, it'll feel like I dropped mad cash on it. Buckle up because we're about to make General Relativity absolutely skibidi bop mom data certified with some serious Gen Z slang. Imagine the universe is like a giant multiplayer sandbox game full of drip, no lag, and absolutely bussin'. But instead of basic physics, this game is coded with Einstein's big brain engine, TM, aka General Relativity. Here's how it works, fam. Get ready to have your minds blown wider than my bank account after a 100-hour challenge. We're diving deep into the drip-filled world of General Relativity, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about space-time. Think of it like a giant skibidi smooth Nike tech hoodie, you know? The one everyone wants but only the OGs have? Everything. Planets, stars, and you trying to slide into those DMs exists on this fabric. But here's where things get juicy, my dudes. General Relativity says this fabric isn't static, it's more flexible than someone doing the Fortnite dance at 3 AM. It bends, it stretches, it warps. Basically, it's got more moves than a TikTok dance challenge. And just like that one friend who always got to show off their new kicks, massive objects in space can't help but flex on the space-time fabric. Anything with mass, like the sun, the earth, or even your L-brain during exams, we've all been there, fam, is heavy on the space-time fabric. And when I say heavy, I mean heavy. Big mass equals big skibidi ripple effect, you feel me? It's like someone doing the ultimate sigma stomp in the middle of a waterbed. Everything around it starts bending and the particles gotta vibe differently. That, my friends, is some serious sigma energy. Now let's talk about gravity, because who doesn't love a good dose of Riz? See, what we think of as gravity is actually just objects simping hard for those massive space-time thick curves. Mass makes the space-time fabric curve, and other objects are like, bruh, guess I gotta follow this curve. And boom, gravity isn't some mysterious force, it's just stuff falling head over heels for those space-time curves. No cap. Just like me trying to slide into Chris Hemsworth's DMs.
Try!
Now, you might be thinking, okay, Mr. Beast, but light is like the fastest thing in the universe. It doesn't simp for anyone. And you'd be right, except when it comes to gravity. Even light, the ultimate sigma energy beam, can't resist the Riz of those space-time curves. When light passes near something heavy, like the sun, it bends because it's basically hitting the on those space-time curves. This is called gravitational lensing, and it's one of the trippiest things in the universe. Next up, we gotta talk about the absolute chads of the cosmos, black holes. These bad boys are like the final boss of the universe, with gravity so strong, they make light say no thanks. They're so dense that they flex so hard on the space-time fabric, they create a literal skibidi no-return zone called the event horizon. Imagine falling into a black hole like this. You're vibing, you cross the event horizon, and then, bam, your drip gets phantom taxed, and you're going on a one-way trip to, well, no one really knows, but it's probably lit. Now things are about to get really trippy, fam. General Relativity says that time itself can be bent by gravity. The closer you are to a big mass or the faster you're moving, the slower time moves for you. It's like being stuck in a low-key time lag zone while everyone else is playing on 2 times speed. So if you were chilling near a black hole, your buddy back on Earth would age faster than you. Talk about a major FOMO moment, this is time dilation, and it's one of the weirdest, coolest things about General Relativity. So how do we even figure all this out? Well, we gotta give a huge shout out to the OG big brain himself, Albert Einstein. Back in the day, everyone was vibing with Newton's ideas about gravity, thinking it was the ultimate truth. But Einstein was like, hold my beer fam, I got something even more fire. He dropped General Relativity on us, basically saying, Newton's gravity? That's mid. Real gravity is space-time doing the ultimate skibidi ripple. And he backed it up with equations so complex they make your high school math homework look like a meme. So there you have it, fam. General Relativity, the theory that's more lit than a supernova and more mind-bending than a black hole. TLDR space-time is a giant drip canvas, mass bends it like a boss, and gravity is just objects simping for those curves. Black holes are the ultimate W bosses of the universe, and time dilation is basically a cosmic time lag. It's the most bussin' theory in physics, no debate. Big ups to Einstein for being a certified genius and dropping this knowledge bomb on the world. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing physics content.